Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. You know, we have already updated DaVinci Resolve on 19.1.2. If you haven't updated, please update. In the last update, we have already talked about all the main basic features about DaVinci Resolve 19.1.2 and 19.1.1. And in this tutorial, we will cover four the best, very important features. These features are very minute, but very important features. And if you understand these features, because these features are very advanced, once you understand these features, it will save you a lot of time. Once you understand these updates and practically apply these all updates with me inside your DaVinci Resolve, it will save you a lot of time, dear friend. It will save a lot of time you can't understand. So follow the class till the end. We will cover all these four important features, and in the next tutorial we will add more advanced features, because in one class it's not possible. So I have divided all this DaVinci Resolve 19.1 updates in the series. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve. Hello, dear friend. If you haven't downloaded DaVinci Resolve updates 19.1.2, you have to come here. You see, check for update here, and this is the update. 1 month ago, it was 19.1.1 was the update. Now this is 19.1.2 updates. Just you click here. From here, I have already downloaded, so I can't download it, but you will get this download icon and you can download here. Now we come to the main point here. The first update is about the better UI, which like first it was the white here, the search bar here. Now it's already, now it's black, and it's more good for our eyes here. And no smalls here, the icons has appeared here. And second main change in the UI I like too much is here help is near work space. You come to work space here and you see here help. In help, now we have search icon. Actually from here, for example, I want to search subtitle. I will click subtitles. We will get all about subtitles here, all parameters about subtitles. You see, subtitle import, subtitle export here, even subframe. You see, in this way now it's a better smooth UI experience. I can write, for example, transitions. You see, all transitions appear here, audio, video. From here directly we come to transitions. For audio transition, you see, we have three audio transitions here. And the same way, you see, render cast transitions, we can directly search from here. Now we have actually in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 series of update, we have get this actually this search icons, which is a very good for searching very fast. Third features is a very useful feature. This is called automatically media resync. Actually for this we have to come here. You see, we have actually here clips actually here, but I want to we have to make a new bin here. You see, new bin, we will write new bin. For example, I write here new bin AI juice. I write here AI juice plugin. This is, for example, I have renamed our bean here. No, actually we have bean. We come to bean here, and we have actually here. You see, we have text plus class. About class, we have a video. I want to take this video to here, to our bean here. Actually, from here, actually proxy 10. This is the folder. From here, we will edit for our next project. We will come here. We will drag here. You see. No, actually we have appeared here. No, we have here on our clips here. But no, I want to some add one more clips here actually. For example, in our in F drive, this is actually our F drive, where we come here in OBS Studio. We have new clips here. For example, I have just recorded for this class this video. I will just Control C, copy, and we will come to here proxy 10 file. From, because from here we have already imported one file here. You see, text plus file. No, I want to just Control V, paste this. So we have paste in our folder here, and through this feature we don't need to drag from our folder to our second clip to our directly to our here media bin here, media pool here. We just click here. No, we have here actually file here actually in our F drive. We'll just close here, and here we will click. No, you see here resync media file. This through this you have to go to folder again, resyncs. But in the new feature, this is very great features. It will save a lots of time when you have so many folders, you will add files to your folder, and from you will drag. It will take a lot of time, but here you have to automatically resync media file. We'll just click resync media file. You have to just wait. You see, it takes some time, 2 to 3 seconds it will take. So you have to be patient. So here you see I have second actually file here. You see here this was actually available. Actually, it's automatically resync your media file. This is actually the great feature, dear friend. I like this feature too much. Using these features, it will save a lot of time. So for this, you have to come here. You see, because we have already used, so we have no resync media option. But for example, I try others for you. I show you so that your concept will be clear. Once you have to understand, it will be very easy. No, for example, I come to our OBS studio, OBS record. I take, for example, second any video. For this, I take this clip. Just I control C. I will not paste there. I will paste to our here in folder here where from I we take our video. Here you see third video. We just paste. Control V. We have pasted here the DaVinci one. You see it has automatically here has appeared. Now this time it has automatically detected. So you see DaVinci Resolve is so intelligent now. It can automatically detect and folder. Once you have resync media, automatically it understand you want to add more folder. You have to just copy in your folder. It will come here. For example, you add to your folder. We come here again. I take for fourth video. For example, I come here. OBS recording. We take more. For example, DaVinci 2. For example, check this proxy media generator. Control C, and we come to our folder. Here we have proxy 10. This is a folder. From this folder we are taking here, and we see we as we control V, we paste, it has appeared here. You see, so fast. No, it's working. So actually, this is the work of this automatic resync media file. Or means it is activated. When it's not highlighted, it means it has activated. So you see, it has highlighted. It means it is activated. It's working. Here, it's not applicable because we are not using resync media file. So we have advanced feature now in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 series update. The fourth features which has been added in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update is a very important. This is actually you can export multiple timelines. If you want to collaborate with your partner editors and you want to send someone and you want to export whatever your timelines you have worked, this feature is a very useful. So you listen this class, it will be very helpful, dear friend. We come here, you see we have here timeline, one timeline we have created. I want to add more timeline in DaVinci Resolve. You can click here and you see display a stack timeline. So it will add one more timeline. I have already added here. So we have, you see this plus icons means I can add timeline, multiple timeline. Here we come here, we have no timeline is vacant because we have not created actually. We will take this. Actually I want to create new timeline with this clips. We just drag here. This is our class, tutorial class. We have dragged. So we have two timeline. You see timeline one here. We have here timeline two, and you can see here we have timeline one and timeline two. So for this we come here to direct to media pool. Here you see here media pool. Actually we come to here. You see a smart bin here, smart bins here, and from here you can direct. I want to select this two because we have this two timeline. And when you just click here, you see timeline. Actually you have to click here on the top timeline. When you come here, timeline setting. Actually here you see export. From here we can export here to multiple format. Here once again we come here, timeline settings, export. Here we can export. Actually I like DaVinci Resolve timeline files. Actually this is the best file. You can select from here, you try one by one, but I didn't try too much this because I like only here this is actually supported format, so good. And we will just click here, and where you want to actually export, you can export anywhere. You can make folder. I have made folder here, like here I have folder. I became record. Here we just click here, and now I export. I have selected. We will export. Now we come actually see these two timeline, and we have actually exported our folder is here. You see here I became record. Here just click here. You see we have two timeline actually here. Timeline one and timeline two. You can send to your friend and we put in the link. They can open this and restore the archive, and they can work again in the DaVinci Resolve. The same timeline will appear to them. Actually, this is actually the very handy feature there, and very handy features here. So you have understood this four features. Actually, in today's update, we have covered this four very important features there, friend. And in the next class, we will add more features which we actually couldn't cover. Actually, we are doing this because we have already several updates about we had in the last update. I have already shown you a generator effects. Actually, if you haven't followed our class, go and follow actually new titles. These we have already class actually these how we can use this. And generators here, we have already talked about 2 3 updates about these generators actually, which have been added, and you can make very beautiful clips using these alt generators and titles. Actually, today we cover these four features about these timelines, automatically media syncs, export multiples timeline, dear friends. It will help you a lot. Hello, dear friend. We have just finished the class about these four important features in DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update series, dear friend, and apply these. And if you haven't gone through our last tutorial about that fusion transition and some text, those updates are very important. See on our playlist and apply and practically apply these all four features, and write in me in the comment box so how you applied these features, and did you understand all the settings, all parameters inside this important update, dear friends. Share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials. Write in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Take care, bye.